all the Honda 10th gens out there, 2018, 2019, 2020, 21. Any Honda Accord with this specific key fob, as you can see, is OEM. It has the lock, the unlock, the trunk release hole, and the panic alarm. In your owner's manual, you can, I forget the page, but you can refer to your owner's manual, and it will show you that your vehicle does have the remote start function. However, Honda's smart. The EXL model, I believe, I can go ahead and pull this up for you so you can kind of see it live. You can see the exact key fob that I ended up purchasing, because I did see that Honda, they sell the key fobs for the EXL model, and those models, they come with the specific key with the remote start on there that you would need. So I believe at the dealers, they're selling these keys, the key fobs, for a little over like $170, maybe a little bit more than that. I found the key fob for a lot greater deal. I've seen some people selling these the key fob here that you're gonna see with the unlock, the lock, the trunk release, and the as you can see, the remote start button is right there. Right, OEM has the original Honda seal on the back. So if you look at the difference between these two key fobs, as you can see, one has the remote start, and the one that comes with the 2021 1.5 or even the 2.0, maybe the 2.0 might have the remote start function on their key fob. I'm not too exact on that, so don't quote me on it. But for my specific model, which is the 2021, I have a 1.5T, brand new off the floor, and I just want to run over this with you, and then I'll go outside and I'll give you some shoots of that. All right, YouTube, I just bought a key fob with the remote start on there for the Honda 2021, and I'm going to head down to Battery Plus and see if I can get this remote start program, because I've been seeing different talks about it, and I would like to test it. This is a 2021 Honda Accord, and it doesn't come with the remote start on there, so we're gonna try to get this key programmed onto it, and I'll let you know. It's a nice day out here today. So getting this thing all completed here. I'm at batteries, bulbs, and so far we're good. Guys, so the moment of truth we all been waiting for. Give you a little walk around. So we just got back and we got the key fob programmed, and we're gonna give it a shot. There you go. She's all started. Voila. It works. Alright guys, so as you get in, this is what shows up on my screen. I don't know if you can see it, but it's telling you to start driving. You have to push your brakes, and then you can turn on your vehicle. It's already on. It's still on. Everything's still active because of the remote start here. So what you'll do is hit the brake, and then you'll hit that button, and you'll see everything on the dash turn on. But the vehicle is on from the remote start, so it does work. Go ahead and order you that key fob for all the 2021 Honda Accords out there, 2018, 2019, 2020. It does work. And my experience, listen, I'm very satisfied. Yep, very satisfied. I'll show the receipt with the amount of what I paid to have it programmed, which it wasn't much. It was much less than what the dealers were asking. So if this video helps you, see, it just turned off. It runs out. That's the thing. So this only lasts about 5 minutes, if that, before you have to redo it. If this video has helped you though, definitely drop a thumbs up on it, because it does help algorithm. It does help those who would like to see this information as well. And go ahead and drop a subscribe. I'm new to the Honda group, so believe it or not, this is my first Honda Accord. I'm more into the American muscles, stuff like that. I like performance and speed, but these days I got me something a little daily commuter. As you can see, it's a brand new car. It's nothing on the dash. I think I have about, if I can get this thing to focus, you can kind of see what's going on there. About 13K on the dash. Not that crazy, right? So that's what's going on here. But yeah, if this video has helped you, just make sure you share it, drop a comment under there. I'll try to get back to everyone in the comment section if you need any help. Thanks.